Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Catrina K. Today, I will be cooking and sharing you how to cook a bulalo. Bulalo is a Filipino main dish that is popular in the Philippines, specifically the Visayan region. Bulalo soup is a beef soup that is made up of beef shank, vegetables such like native pechay, so-called sweet corn, radish, ginger, onions, garlic, chili fingers, salt, and seasoning granules. And this soup is one of my favorite dish because it tastes so good and makes you feels better. And this soup is good for cold days. When you sip, especially during cold days, it gives you warm and it is so yummy. So, are you ready? Because me, I am ready to cook and can't wait to taste this bulalo soup that I made. I hope you enjoy. In cooking bulalo, you need these following ingredients. These are follows: radish, sweet corn, onion, garlic, native pechay, spring onions, salt, seasoning granules, 1 liter of water, beef cubes, 4 pieces beef chunks, marrow bones, ginger, chili fingers to make a bulalo or beef soup. In cooking bulalo, the first step is step 1. In a cooking pot, put 4 pieces of beef shank. Next, pour water on it, 1 liter. Then put a pinch of salt. Then cover and wait for 15 to 20 minutes to boil. We have to boil first the beef shank to tender the meat of the beef. That's the first method. Our bulalo is now boiled. Once it boiled, we will put a salt, seasoning granules, cubes, and then radish. You put all together the ingredients. Next is onion, garlic, ginger, chili fingers, spring onions scattered on it. After putting those ingredients, we will now wait 10 to 15 minutes so that our bulalo mix tastes good and so yummy. Since our bulalo is now 15 minutes boiling, we're now going to simmer and then we will put sweet corn. Then mix it. Simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. Look at now my bulalo. This is now the processing of simmer. We will add now our native pechay because our bulalo now is cooked. This native pechay gives also additional taste to bulalo. Our bulalo now is cooked. Thank you for watching on how to cook bulalo. And if you like my video, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.